Is your Tracfone service not working? First, check for outages. Visit tracfone.com/outage or use the Tracfone app to see if there's a widespread issue in your area. You can also check third-party sites like Down Detector. If no outage is reported, the next step is to verify your plan status. Expired plans are a common cause of service disruption. Log in to your account on the Tracfone website, tracfone.com/myaccount or app to confirm your plan is active and has sufficient minutes, texts, and data. Confirm your plan is active and has sufficient minutes, texts, and data. Recharge your plan if needed. Alerts are sent via SMS, but it's best to check proactively. If your plan is active and there are no reported outages, proceed to the next step. If calls and texts work, but you're having trouble with mobile data, the issue might be with your APN settings. APN, or access point name, configures your phone's connection to the mobile data network. Modern phones usually set these automatically, but manual changes may be needed. For Tracfone on Verizon, the standard APN settings are APN TF data with proxy port, username, password, and server set to none. MMSC is hdevdefdata.com/weapon-c. To check and modify APN settings, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names on your phone. Add a new APN if needed. Enter the settings carefully to avoid typos, save the changes, and restart your phone. If you're still having issues, consider contacting Tracfone support.